Looking to apply for joint home financing? Let's start with an eligibility check. We'll walk you through the steps needed for the main applicant and your joint applicant. Ready? Let's start. Scroll down to your chosen property card and tap on Check Eligibility. Agree to a mandatory credit check. Select your chosen unit type. Enter the property price as agreed with the developer and key in your down payment amount. Then, adjust to your preferred financing period. Tap Continue and review or edit your details. Next, let's add a joint applicant, which might help you receive a better financing offer. Tap Add a joint applicant. Fill in your joint applicant's details. Once confirmed, we'll send an in-app invitation to your joint applicant. As the main applicant, your part is done for now. Just wait for your joint applicant to accept your invitation. Now, it's the joint applicant's turn. Got the May app? Then you'll get a notification. On the Home2u main page, tap on Application. Tap on Pending Invitation. To start your eligibility check process, tap on Accept Invitation. Agree to a mandatory credit check. Review or update your personal details. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Tap Agree and Confirm to submit your application. All done! You're now a joint applicant. Your main applicant will complete the rest of the steps. Once your joint applicant has accepted your invitation, it's time to continue your application. You'll receive a notification. On the Home2u main page, just tap on Application. Then tap on the financing application card to see your result. And here's your result screen. Tap Apply now if you're ready to go ahead. Finally, we'll need to know who will own the property. If you'll be the sole owner, tap Yes. If not, tap No. Choose from one of the options. Tap Confirm and Submit. Yay! You've successfully submitted your joint financing application. You can scroll down if you want to see your joint applicant's name. Sit back. A Maybank rep will contact you both real soon.
It's gotta be me.